This video, I will be showcasing you 3 simplest, unique and brand new methods to take a screenshot on your device. Starting with the first method, you just need to press the power and the volume up button simultaneously at the same time and immediately release it. You can take the screenshot quite easily. As you can see, I am doing that. But do note that if you press and hold both of these buttons, then the power menu will appear. So definitely you just need to press and release them immediately in order to take the screenshot with this method. Moving towards the second method, which is a unique one. First, you will need to open up your screenshot app in your device, then press on the plus icon on the top right corner of the device. Search for the take screenshot button in the search action and just select that particular take screenshot action. Press the done button. Now the screenshot has been added. Now after that you will need a few more steps. Open up your settings and scroll down towards the action button menu and you will see a bunch of options for the action button. You need to select the shortcut and then select the screenshot menu. Now it is added to the action button, and in order to take the screenshot you just need to press and hold the action button and you can take the screenshot quite easily with this method. Finally, we have a double tap to take a screenshot option, and in order for that to work, you need to open up your settings, scroll down towards the accessibility, open it up, and scroll down to touch. And scroll down towards the end where you will see a back tap option. Just tap on it, select the double tap, and menu will appear. Select a screenshot from the list, and you are good to go. Now just double tap on the phone back and you can take the screenshot quite easily using that particular method. So guys, these are the simplest methods through which you can take a screenshot on your device. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. If you like this video, do consider subscribing my channel because some amazing content is planned for this year and the next year. Thanks for watching. Peace.